Hello, traders, and this is Dave with the Right Line Compass Options live trading room. And tonight I just wanted to go over a couple of trades we had Friday and today to go over how we find these trades in the Compass system and these high probability trades and how they're working for us. So let's just take about 2 or 3 minutes to do this. Just a short, brief video, and we have to give the normal disclaimer. So all the signals and trading opportunities we're going to talk about here are for educational and demonstration purposes only. And trading is risky, so you should never trade with more money than you can afford to lose. And neither myself or Right Line are licensed financial advisors, so we won't be giving financial advice. What we look for with the Compass system is we look for the highest probability trade setups. And these trade setups give us a win rate of around 90%. 9 out of 10 typically, but what we're going to be looking for, and I'll show you a little bit in a second, we look for a breakout of a dynamic compression zone. Dynamic compression zone is a compression zone that is identified within the Compass system. It's done dynamically, so it comes and goes during the day. So you can, when you see the stock in that particular level, that's where you take the breakout, to the upside or to the downside. We use Heiken-Action reversal candles to confirm it. And we also take breakouts in the same direction of the stock that we're in. So we're only taking longs on stocks that are green and shorts on stocks that are red. We're not going to be counter trend trading. And we also trade in the direction of the market if the market has a direction. And what we look for within the Compass system, we have a Laguerre oscillator that has the divergence stripped out, uses just momentum. So it's just momentum that we're looking for on the current time frame and also on multiple time frames. This is a multi-time frame Laguerre. These are very, very important indicators. They identify when the institutions are into these trades and when they're not. And we only take trades that the institutions are in. So that's basically what we look for on the high probability trade setups. So I'll just show you a couple of them. This was one that we had on Friday, and we got in on Friday and out this morning. This is AMC. This was the candle we get in on Friday. This is a daily chart, and there's a compression zone right here. You can barely see it, but there's a red compression zone right in here, and it popped on the on Friday, popped up on the scanner. We notice we have all green here. These particular indicators are telling us that this is a buy across the board, and you see how easily identified a bullish trade is using the Compass system. So this is where we get in. This is where we get out this morning. Now we took options on this. The options we paid $3.40 for on Friday, and we get out today for anywhere from $4.40 to $7.15. Some of the folks in the room actually got them for $5, $6, and several people got out for $7.15. So that's basically a 30% to a 110% gain overnight on this particular trade, and it was easily identifiable, very high probability, and this is the trade we took on Friday. We also did another one on Friday. This was the one that we did on Friday. This is a 5-minute chart here. This is on Texas Instruments. Now during the day on Friday, there was a compression zone that was created right in here. They're dynamic, so they come and go during the day. But when we get into it, it was right here on this particular candle. You notice that all of the Compass indicators are all green, telling you easily that this is a bullish trade. We moved up, compressed just a little bit sideways, and then moved up very nicely and moved all the way up to here. This was about a 45-minute trade that we got about 35% on by using options on Texas Instruments. So that's just a brief video on a couple of trades we've taken, and just want you to see how effective these Compass indicators are. Again, these Compass indicators are telling us that when we get into this trade, we're joining the institutions who are buying this, and that's the key. The Compass system allows us to trade the best, and we skip the rest. We don't trade stocks that don't have institutional buying or selling if we're going short. We only get into the trades that the institutions are involved in, and the Compass system tells us that by looking across multiple time frames for momentum. to see if they're in there doing that. And so that's how we identified those trades. So again, I just wanted to give you a little brief update on the Compass system, some of the nice trades we found, and how we use this particular system effectively to win 9 out of 10 of our trades. So thanks very much for listening. And this is Dave again with the Right Line Compass Options Trading Room. Have a great night.